Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Today I will tell you how to add rows and columns in a table and how to delete and rows and columns from the table. So I will open MS Word and now I will insert one table from Insert tab, Table button, and here from this grid of boxes I am inserting one table here. So here you can see the table has 3 columns. It has 3 columns and it has 3 rows. This horizontal part is called your rows and vertical parts are called columns. Now I want to increase number of columns here. Here are 3 columns, I want 4. So how will you do? Suppose I want to insert one column after the first column. So what you have to do, you have to select this column, first column. Then as you will select, on the top you will get layout tab. You will click on this layout tab and then you will get here some buttons like insert left, insert right. Insert left will insert the column left of the selected one and insert right will insert the column left side of the selected one. So I am clicking here insert right. So what you will see, one more column is inserted here on the right side of the selected one. Now if you want to insert rows, like I want to insert one row after this second row, same method you will follow. You will go to layout tab and here now you have to choose from these two options, insert above, insert below. If you want to insert one row above of this selected one, you will click on insert above. If you want to insert below of the selected one, you will click on insert below option. So here I am clicking on insert below. See, one more row is inserted below of the selected one. Now if I click on insert above, so you will see one more row is inserted above the selected one. Now if you want to delete any row, column or cell from your table, suppose I want to delete this row, again you will go to layout tab. There is one delete button and it will ask like delete cell. If you want to delete cell, you will choose delete cell, delete rows, delete column, delete table. You can delete anything from here. If you select whole table and click on delete button, whole table will be deleted. Here I have selected this row, so I will click on delete rows and this row will be deleted from here like this. You can see. If you want to delete whole table, select it, simply go to delete button and delete table. The whole table will be deleted. Now again I am inserting the table. Now if you want to format your table, like you want to change style, color of your table, that also you can do. Select your table, go to design tab. Here you will get some styles for your table like this, you can choose from here. If you want to apply any shading or border styles in your table, you can apply all from these options. So in this way you can format your table. So this much is for today. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.